Some of the Samsung Galaxy S24's rumored AI-powered features may have been revealed early thanks to a leak of the One UI 6.1 software that will run it. This leak comes from a recent X, formerly Twitter, post from Bennett Brunner Pro, who has revealed several apparent features with screenshots to back up the claims. While we were aware of the Galaxy S24's alleged focus on AI features, this is the first real look we have had at how they could work. It appears that one of the new features will be the addition of fully AI-generated wallpapers. An accompanying video in another post gives some idea of how this could work, which looks similar to the way you make AI-generated wallpaper in Android 14's vanilla version. The list of colors and materials you can use as wallpaper prompts appears to be quite varied, and it will be interesting to see if more specific options will be available through either downloads or third parties. If you don't fancy an AI wallpaper, it appears that it will be possible to select weather and portrait-style frame effects for your lock screen as well. One UI 6.1's built-in photo editor could have several interesting additions too. With AI assistance, the editor will be able to expand the borders of the photos. For example, when straightening out a photo taken on a slant, the AI will be able to fill the empty space to expand the photo back to its original size. The photo editor will apparently also be able to move subjects within a photo simply by dragging and dropping them. This will make what can be a complicated editing job much easier to do on the fly. This also sounds similar to the Magic Editor feature on the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. The Notes app will also apparently leverage AI capabilities. The Galaxy S24 will manage messy and disorganized notes by compiling them into a bullet-pointed list, including text extracted from handwritten notes as well. One UI 6.1 will offer in-call translation, something that had been hinted at before to let you talk to someone speaking a different language in real time. There may also be a voice focus feature that allows the phone to separate background noises and bring more clarity to the speaker, making conversations much easier to understand while out in the world. The final reported features from One UI 6.1 are two charging features designed to protect and maintain batteries during overnight charging. Adaptive protection will limit the max charge level to 80%, then push it to 100% when the user is about to wake up. Meanwhile, maximum protection will lock the charge level to 80% and will not exceed it. This is listed as the best option for battery longevity. This feature appears on smartphones of several other brands, so it's good to see Samsung catching up. However, the feature relies on you charging your phone at regular intervals, so users with erratic schedules might not benefit from it. So that makes a lot of new AI features that could be coming to the Galaxy S24, and a fair few of them would make good use of Samsung GOS/Galaxy AI and the likely much improved computing power in the phone. We will know more when the Galaxy S24 is released early next year, possibly in January. Finally, hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.